Okay, so we are on month 12. This is March of 2024, so we've made it a year. At this point on YouTube, this is my mommy channel, which I report here on my YouTube channel. Let's jump right into the analytics. So views, 4.6K, watch time hours, 20 hours, subs, 15. So these numbers are up from January and February. Overall, subs is definitely up. I believe last month I only had 3, so that's amazing. Now remember, this is shorts and long combined, so let's break it up a bit. Okay, new viewers, lots of shorts action. Returning viewers though, more so from my videos. I like to see that. Subscribers, primarily from shorts. Views, primarily shorts. That's a bummer. And then published content this month was 9 shorts and 4 videos. Last month I had some publishing errors. I think this month everything was like good and published according to my actual plan. Okay, let's jump into the long form videos. Okay, so watch time overall for my long form was 6 hours. That simply is not enough. I need 6 hours per day, not per month. Average percentage viewed, just under 25%. 25%, like a quarter of the way through, isn't terrible in my opinion. Obviously, more is always better. What bothers me, however, is my low views, which also goes with my click-through rate. So I'm definitely bothered by this click-through rate being under a percentage. That's not acceptable. That means something's going wrong with my titles, thumbnails, and or just the general idea of my video. So that is an issue for sure. And then the average view duration is 1 minute and 34 seconds, but that's relative to how long the videos are. So that's why I focus on the percentage. Okay, let's go into the actual content of my longs. Okay, so we got the graph here. Green is sticking out, orange is sticking out. And then ironically, if you look, I have it sorted by views currently. Highest views is this blue one, which is more consistent. There's no real blip, like these have blips. The most viewed video this month for long form is a video from July of last year. How did it beat my freshly published videos? I don't know. The other thing that's amazing, watch time hours is decent. The percentage viewed, people are watching over half of that video, and the click-through rate, almost 7%. That is crazy. Now my next viewed video is this one, which was February 29th. That's not March, but it was the very, very end of February. So it might have taken a few days to get those views. Anyhow, it got, I think that's my highest watch time hours based on this. It probably is a better click-through rate than some of these, but still not great. However, it's a 12-minute long video, so a little bit on the longer end. People are getting through about a third, which is about 4 minutes. That's decent. I mean, like, I'm excited about that. I wish the views were higher. So then down here, we got like a spring video. This is March. I don't know. It's like not the greatest on the views and the percentage of it viewed, the click-through rate, just not the greatest. Don't buy a convertible crib. That's an old one. That's an old one. Okay, this is another March one, what your 2-year-old can do independently. Now this one, let's see, 16% viewed. Yeah, not good. Okay, tips for flying, that's a March one. Again, not good. And something kind of interesting on this last one, these last 2 here, they've got good impressions. So the opportunity was there. These were shown to people and people were not clicking them. So that tells me that that's a title or a thumbnail issue. That one's a little boring, I guess you could say. I don't know. I'm not a graphic designer. I'm doing my best. Anywho, I think overall, nothing too great here to see. So let's jump over to shorts. Okay, so I like on this one, I still want to see that average percentage viewed. Watch time hours, we'll just leave that off this time. I don't care too much, but almost 100% of the shorts were viewed as far as like the duration of it. So that's good. Views, shown in feed, likes. I like seeing likes. Again, shorts aren't my primary focus, but if it's helping my channel, if it's pushing out content and maybe people watch a short and it turns into a long, I'll take it. 1 share, that's exciting. I wonder if that was on purpose or an accidental click. And then 14 subscribers, that is why I'm doing the shorts. I want to get my 1,000 subscribers. So I will continue to do shorts at least until I hit 1,000. Okay, let's get to the content itself. So as far as views, here's a couple blip ones, but we're gonna start out with this top one, which is 1,600 views. Oh, hang on, let me get my percentage, average percent viewed. Okay, so it wasn't getting watched through 100%, but it did get a lot of views. It got a lot of likes. And it got me a subscriber. So that one I would consider great for the month. And then below that, we got some good, kind of good. So if you look, let's see, like 13 seconds, 11, 5, 6, 9, 8, 10. What I'm finding is these shorter videos are doing better for me. I think people watch them through better. If you look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a row here, they got over 100% like viewed. So people are watching them more than once. And part of that's they're just so short, people aren't swiping. But I think it's like a momentum builder in my opinion, and I see it as a positive. These also got me subscribers. So I guess I was doing something right there. They got me some likes. I don't live for shorts, but I do appreciate any help it brings to my channel. Okay, let's go ahead and go back to the main home screen. So again, here we are with that main screen. I was doing about short, short, long, short, short, long, short, short, long. And that was sort of my pattern. You can see the blips. Often this month were with my shorts. I wish they were with my videos, but my videos just overall did not perform very well this month, which is a bummer. Let's see if next month can be a little bit better. Come back to check out April. That will be month 13. So at that point, I have hit over a year on YouTube.